Welcome to Shastra Science for the science loving mind. Shastra Science last month in science, August 2021. A gist of major happenings around the globe in science during August 2021. 3rd August. Scientists have discovered evidence that giraffes are a highly socially complex species. 3rd August. Eating a plant centered diet during young adulthood is associated with a lower risk of heart disease in middle age, according to a long term study with about 30 years of follow up. A separate study with about 15 years of follow up found that eating more plant based foods that have been shown to lower cholesterol, called the portfolio diet, is associated with a lower risk of cardiovascular disease in postmenopausal women. Fourth August. New research has revealed the solution to Jupiter's energy crisis, which has puzzled astronomers for decades. Astronomers have created a detailed global map of the gas giant's upper atmosphere, confirming that Jupiter's powerful aurora are responsible for delivering planet wide heating. 5th August. A major Atlantic Ocean current, the Atlantic Meridional Overturning Circulation or AMOC, may have been losing stability in the course of the last century, according to new research. A potential collapse of this ocean current system could have severe consequences. 5th August. New observations of the M type star L9859 and its surrounding system reveal three new bodies: a planet in the habitable zone, an ocean world, and a planet with half the mass of Venus, making it the lightest exoplanet ever to be measured using the radial velocity method. 8th August. The National Ignition Facility achieves a 70% yield from inertial confinement fusion energy, an 8 times improvement over previous experiments in spring 2021 and a 25 times increase over the yields achieved in 2018. 9th August. The Intergovernmental Panel on Climate Change releases the first part of its sixth assessment report, which concludes that the effects of human caused climate change are now widespread, rapid, and intensifying. 11th August. A new study has uncovered the engineering secrets behind what makes fish fins so strong yet flexible. The research could one day lead to new designs for robotic surgical tools or even airplane wings that change their shape with the push of a button. 11th August. Global warming begets more extreme warming. New paleoclimate studies finds. Researchers observe a warming bias over the past 66 million years that may return if ice sheets disappear. 12th August. Scientists have unraveled the enigma of inheritance of coat color patterns in dogs. The researchers discovered that a genetic variant responsible for a very light coat in dogs and wolves originated more than 2 million years ago in a new extinct relative of the modern wolf. 12th August. A new kind of neural interface system that coordinates the activity of hundreds of tiny brain sensors could one day deepen understanding of the brain and lead to new medical therapies. 23rd August. At certain sites in the Grand Canyon, more than 1 billion years worth of rocks have gone missing from the geological record. Scientists are trying to figure out why. 23rd August. Cerebras announces a new hardware and software platform that can support artificial intelligence models of 120 trillion parameters, enabling neural networks greater than the equivalent number of human brain synapses. 23rd August. The world's northernmost islet, a small patch of land measuring 60 into 30 meters, is reported by scientists off the coast of Greenland. The name Kukertak Avenar Lek is proposed, which means the northernmost island in Greenlandic.